All right, so here we're supposed to have five distinct points are selected on a circumference of a circle. How many line segments can be drawn by joining the points in all possible ways? Then how many triangles can be drawn using these 5 points at vertices? And then how many quadrilaterals can be drawn using these 5 points as vertices? All right, so let's think about what we have here. So we have a circle and we're choosing 5 points. So maybe we'll call that point one, point two, point three, point four, point five. Okay. And so what we're supposed to do in the first case is drawing line segments. And so if we think about that, we can do one, two, three, four out of here. And then out of here we have that one's already there, so we don't count that new. Then five, six, seven. And then on this one, we've already got those two. Then we have eight, nine. And then this one, we already have those. And then we have 10. So this one is going to be 10. And that's just because we actually drew the things. Now, how would we actually do this in reality? Well, it doesn't really matter what order we do these. What we have is we have 5 points and we're choosing two of them. So 5C2, well, we just said that was 10 because we already figured that one out. Okay. Now, the next one, how many triangles can be drawn using these 5 points? Okay, well, again, we can draw triangles, and if you think about that, maybe we should draw these a different color. So we're going to kind of do this two different ways. We're going to have one, and then this is going to be a lot harder. So maybe I won't draw all of them, but we can think about, then we have two, and then we could have three, and then there's going to be four there. And so we keep doing that. And so this one is going to be what? Well, there's going to be five, but we're going to choose 3 points out of them. So again, order doesn't matter, but we're going to have 5C3. So depending on which ones we do, because we can have that one, we can have that one, and so on. So it's 5C3. So now let's go and see what 5C3 is. So if we clear that out, math, 3. We're going to do 5C3, and that's going to be 10 as well. Now, we could also go back and do a second enter, and let's put a 2 here to kind of show you that we get a 10 that way as well. And so both of those are going to give us a 10. So going over here, that one gave us 10 as well. Now, what does the next one say? Well, it's saying, okay, well, now we're going to do a quadrilateral. How many is quadrilateral? That would be 4 points, right? So, we'd think about one, two, three, four. So something like that. But we can go in all different directions and do four of them. And so that's going to be a 5C4. Now, if we go do that one on a calculator, again, let's cheat here and just go back and put in a 4. And we only get five possible ways here. So five. And again, you could think about that. We drew the big one here. Where's my writing thing? Where did it go? There it is. And we could also come down here and over and down and up. We could come down here and over and up and over. And so, we could work our way through. Then we could have this one and all that. But what we're going to find is there's only five of them when you're choosing four of the points. And there's 10 if we choose three, and there's 10 if we choose two. Okay. So let's stop there and then we'll come back for some more.